And hello again, everybody. Mike Gonzalez at the Weslaco ISD Cake Complex, where students are working behind me. They were recently certified in the welding department. A total of 31 students received their certifications in welding. And here to tell me a little bit more about it is the welding instructor, Mr. Brandon Hernandez. Mr. Hernandez, 100% students received their welding certifications and passed. How does that make you feel?
Feels very good out here with my students being very successful this year. Last year we had 15 get certified in the AWS D11 structural welding, and this year we got 31. A total of 31 successful obtained their AWS certifications this year.
And these are students that are now going to be ready to work in the real world. What kind of opportunities they have now?
Well, they're going to be able to go in as welders, level 1 welders. Some even start out as a helper, and of course, move their way up with this certification. But this certification is getting their foot in the door.
That's very impressive. And if there's students out there that are interested in this field, what do they need to do?
When they're interested, they just need to register. Come meet me, bring their families in, and we'll have a sit down, a one-to-one, and see if they're cut out for the program. It's a 3-year program. We offer the AWS certification, NCCR, OSHA 10, and dual credit.
31 students. That is a very impressive number for Weslaco ISD, and congratulations to you and to the program. For KWest TV, I'm Mike Gonzalez.